So this is my 1998 C5 Corvette, which, as y'all can tell, is going to be twin turbo. To give you an idea what I'm talking about, that big ass turbo is going to be on that side, and then this big ass one's going to be on this side. This is somewhat like it's how it's going to be mounted. Of course, it's going to be facing up and facing that way. But I will most likely not run a hood, or probably cut the hood somehow. But I want to make them like as even as possible. And I'll probably have to move this one back a little bit to make those two straight. And I'm lowering my motor a little bit with smaller motor mounts. To make that possible, I went ahead and bought these very small headers. This is literally where the header ends. And as y'all can see, it's very tiny. Probably shouldn't drop that, but it's very tiny. And all of that is happening because y'all, within just less than 2 weeks, got me to 1,000 followers here on YouTube. And to make everything fair, I decided to put 1,000 horsepower on my Corvette. I have not seen a Corvette run with turbos like that, or two, so say per se, usually they're in the side of the bumper or in the rear. I decided to be different and put it in the front. I know it's going to be either sticking up very high or something, but it's going to be very exciting to see it. Every fabrication, everything that's going into this kit is going to be done by me and my dad himself. Some other parts are going to be done by a company, but everything's going to be installed just by us. The camshaft is going to be specially made for us, and I'm very excited to see how this is going to turn out. It's going to be a long process, but the goal of it is to run an FL2 kit in the end of this year. So we have a long ways to go, but we got 9 months to get it done. I'd also like to say me and my dad have never done such thing with a car like this before. We have never even built a car before. This is our first car being built, which is already over 500 horsepower, which the transmission gave out. And for the transmission, we're going with something crazy. I got some options. I need to know which one y'all think is the best. First option would be save up a lot of money. If very close to FL2K, go ahead and get a TH400 and do a lot of modifications to make that TH400 work. The second, which would be a lot cheaper, would be getting a C6 transmission, fully building it out with billet parts and a bunch of other things, and putting that in here, which should be slightly closer to a bolt-on than a TH400 would. In option 3, which I probably am not going with at all, would be just staying with this transmission, the 4L60E, upgrading everything to maybe a stage 5 and pray that it holds down, which I don't think it will. It's not very flavorful for this at all. Shouldn't be doing this with it, but would be a very good test and trial. So if y'all want to do it to your cars, you can do it this way too, which I'll probably also be going and putting upgraded fuel pumps and an upgraded fuel system, because the stock fuel system is not going to be able to withstand this much power that a car is going to be putting down. And unfortunately, we're going to lose some of that chop, but it's going to be twin turbo, so I don't think it should matter that much. But if y'all are excited for this build just as I am, and y'all want to see how it goes, go ahead and follow, because there's going to be a lot in this car, and I'll be showing y'all every part that comes in, how I'm planning of working with it. And let's see, the next step is going to be cleaning up the garage. Me and my dad are actually going to build something in the garage to move everything away so we can have space to weld and have space for the car, can have space for everything at once. So I actually believe we're going to Home Depot to get 2x4s to build like a whole stuff shelf over there this weekend, and we're going to start, and I'll show y'all the progress of what we're going to do with the garage. This is going to be pretty cool too. And I'm kind of in a rush because I wanted to make this video yesterday, but the turbos came in very late yesterday and it was already very dark. It's already dark now. I just got out of work, but I wanted to show y'all, I wanted to be able to give y'all a look of what's going to look like. And I'm really hoping y'all are excited to see this just as I am. Overall, I'm very excited to see, and these are not small turbos at all. As you can see, it fits about my hand in there. So this car is going to be making a lot of power, and I'm very excited for it. And stay tuned, because if everything runs correctly the way it's supposed to, I will actually be making this kit for people that do own a C5 Corvette, and for them to put in their own car. But I want to make it very easy on y'all. So if I am going to sell something, I'm going to sell something that's going to be a bolt-on that you can put it right up to your car and it'll be completely ready to go. You don't have to do any fabrication, any cutting, nothing. So my car is a test and trial for all this.